hallelujah to Jesus, Papa. Hallelujah, 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 Papa. Shout hallelujah, hallelujah, Papa. Shout hallelujah, hallelujah.
I totally, before I ask the judges what they think, I totally enjoyed that, by the way. But unfortunately, I'm not a judge. Okay, to the judges, do you think that the August Choir brought an august and stellar performance? Ambassador, OT, over to you.
Well done, guys. That was a nice creativity. The way you play around with the song. Well done.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you very much. Nice, nice. Creative. Esther, I saw you smiling.
Come on, you guys did great. I loved it. From the, sorry, you guys are just knocking me off. From the uniform, the arrangement, the control. I loved everything about it. Every single thing about it. You guys were fantastic. We want more. We want more. We want more.
Yes, we definitely want more. I knew that Esther was going to bust out. I've been looking at her from behind the scene. I saw her, and she was grinning all the way. Flo Rucker, don't worry. Don't worry. I'm not your problem. Your problem is right behind you. It's fine. Just...
Okay, to be quite honest, it was creative. You know, I think I enjoyed your rendition of Iben's song more than what you did with the rest, because of how you played with the dynamics. But I had an issue with you holding your notes down. You should have held it down. Then instrumentalists, you know, when you tell them hold, he's still playing. So he may need to correct that. But the creativity was there. Just fine-tune. There's something there. There's something. Bring it out.
Okay. Without trying to bring out words from Femi's mouth, Femi.
The fact that you're not holding the mics, it's a proof, it's a show that you're a choir. Nobody is holding. Is anyone holding the mic amongst you? You see? You know, and it was so smooth. It was air-worthy. It was lovely. It was a very beautiful ministration. Thank you. Very creative. Well done.
Okay, we have heard from the judges. Viewers, it is up to you to increase the volume of your voting. Vote as many times as possible. Go to www.abuja.choirawards.org/vote to see August Choir at the next level. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for them one more time.